Hi friends! Today I'm going to talk about how to use Make and Google Sheets to create powerful automations that will help you easily manage customer data, track leads, and send timely follow-up messages. Imagine you're creating a digital hub to manage your leads using Google Sheets and Make. To get started, open Google Sheets and create a new document. Give it a title such as Lead Tracking. This will be your base from which the whole process will start. Add the headings: lead name, email, phone number, status, date of next contact. Don't forget to design your headlines in a way that makes them easy to use and noticeable. Make them bold or add color. Freeze the header row so it always stays visible. Now let's add some organization. Create drop-down lists for statuses: contacted, pending, closed. This will help you always see what stage of work each lead is in. And for the column with dates, add conditional formatting so that overdue tasks are highlighted in red. Now we move on to Make.com, where the automation magic begins. We'll create a script that will check which leads need attention and send automatic reminders. Set up a trigger that will keep track of the next contact's date column. Add a filter so the system only sees overdue tasks. Automate sending emails with the Send Email module. You can personalize the text in the email by adding the lead's name and a brief reminder of the previous conversation. This will give the impression that you sent the email yourself, although your automation actually did it. Once you get the hang of this process, you can easily adapt it to do many other tasks. Imagine, the same scheme can be used, for example, for project management, automatically creating tasks in Trello or Asana. All you need is a little creativity, and the automation process will work in almost any field. Here are some examples of how this can be applied. Personalized emails. Based on data from your spreadsheet, you can send emails that really speak to the customer in their language. Reminders for webinars, promotions, or events. You won't have to manually track dates and send out notifications. Everything will work automatically. Event management. For example, you'll be able to track attendee registrations and automatically send them confirmations and event reminders. This flexibility opens up incredible possibilities. The process can be adapted for almost any task where you need to automate routine actions. And you know what the best part is? This approach saves you time, eliminates the monotonous routine, and allows you to focus on the things that really matter. Instead of getting stuck in operational minutiae, you can focus all your energy on building customer relationships and closing deals successfully. After all, that's what really gets results. That's how, step by step, you'll create a system that takes care of all the routine and makes your lead generation process as efficient as possible. Thanks for being with me, and see you in the next video.